In this video, you will learn how to create and optimize your Amazon product listings with sales-driven keywords that will boost your product's visibility and organic ranking. All of this can be easily done with the help of the AI Product Listing Builder tool from DataDive. If you want to try DataDive yourself, you will find the special offer and the link below in the description.
Crafting an effective Amazon product listing is akin to painting a masterpiece on Amazon, where every stroke of optimization contributes to its visibility and allure. Beyond merely showcasing a product, it serves as the virtual storefront or the gateway through which potential customers are enticed to explore and ultimately make a purchase. However, the journey does not end with its creation. Rather, it evolves into a continuous process of optimization and refinement. Hitting the sweet spot of the Amazon algorithm is paramount. A dynamic landscape where strategic placement of keywords, engaging content, and meticulous attention to detail converge to elevate a product listing above the noise. By meticulously optimizing each element of the listing, from the title and bullet points to the product description and images, sellers can significantly enhance their product visibility, organic rankings, and ultimately conversion rates. Constant vigilance and adaptation are the cornerstones of success in product listing optimization. Amazon's algorithms are ever evolving, and what may have been effective yesterday may not hold true tomorrow. Therefore, the imperative for sellers to stay abreast of the latest trends, algorithm changes, and consumer behaviors cannot be overstressed. By embracing a mindset of continuous optimization, sellers can not only maintain relevance in the fiercely competitive marketplace, but also carve out a distinct competitive edge. Through constant optimization, sellers can unlock the full potential of their listings, driving greater visibility, higher organic rankings, and ultimately a surge in sales conversion. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm from OrangeClick, and today I'm going to show you how in a matter of a few minutes you can create an optimized product listing powered by the AI Product Listing Builder of DataDive. We left off from our previous video about doing keyword research using the root keywords toddler string carrier between 25 to 60 pounds. We have carefully selected the direct competitors that are doing really well in this niche and with the same features, materials, and in some ways design to harvest what are those relevant sales-driving keywords that are making them successfully obtain sales and driving their organic rankings higher with each conversion. We also processed those irrelevant keywords from our master keyword list by excluding brand keywords and some other ones that do not really describe the product we are trying to offer. Now, how do we start with building a compelling product listing? The best thing about DataDive that it has streamlined all of its processes within their set of tools to help Amazon sellers to go with the flow, and that each tool is being used not necessarily in the same order, but are all interconnected and easy to navigate so that you'll be able to create a seamless process from product research down to product listing builder and optimization. Since we did our part with keyword research, we will just click here within this space is the product listing builder. By the way, this is powered by AI. So all the keywords we have gathered from our master keyword list or MKL will be auto-populated in the different parts of the product listing. Just make sure to still check if the keywords that were selected make sense and provide necessary adjustments to make the listing as cohesive and meaningful as possible. Here are some of the tips you can follow in order to convey the right description for your product. We start with the title. If you can maximize the 200 characters with the right keyword, main keywords with very high search volume, then that will contribute to the successful visibility of your listing and indexing. The top 3 to 5 keywords that has the highest search volume. You should also have the most relevant keywords in your title and the main benefits of your product. If you are a brand, then we suggest this format to write your title. So we have the brand name, product name using your main keywords, then the features of your product, the benefits, and the quantity or size. You can use hyphen as a word separator. You cannot, however, exceed more than 200 characters, and that includes spaces. You are not allowed to include special characters or symbols. Subjective terms such as hot and best-selling are not allowed. And promotional terms such as sale, free, cheap, price. And price is not advisable to include here. Moving forward for the bullet points. You should be able to explain here why they should buy your product. What are the other benefits and features of your product? Think of the ways for your product to be unique and to stand out among your competitors. Write the bullet points in a way that will make the customer imagine they are using the product. So in this case, writing the bullet points should be as close to the search terms that your customers are typing, because those are the things that they are looking for, or those are the features that they are looking for in your product. So if you are able to address those issues or have an improvement of those design that addresses the issues or addresses the direct need of these customers, then might as well add that into your bullet points. For product description, you can add more information like technical specifications in this part and state further reasons why they should purchase your product. So you can develop an A+ content, add more infographics, more lifestyle images on how this product will help address and solve the problems of your target customers. For search terms, there should be no duplicates if the keyword is already in the title, bullet points, and product description. So you remove the plurals. In this case, the root keywords from the MKL will really be applied here because there are a lot of variations from root keywords that you will be able to discover with substantial search volume that you can add here. And that will help you get indexed in these keywords that are an amalgamation of the root keywords. You can also include misspelled or Spanish words. Spaces will work, no need for commas. Do not include competitors' brand names. So this is paramount. If you want to get indexed in those keywords organically, then don't compete with your competitors' brand names attached with that keyword. But if you're very confident that your product is excellent and better, far better than the competitor in terms of price point and added features, better features, then might as well you can do that. But try to do an A/B testing for that first and don't add that on your first creation of product listing. That can be done as a PPC ad campaign to drive sales, to get a share from other competitor market. So to start with the title, here's the tip from DataDive, wherein if you are creating a product listing from an existing active product listing, they recommend to just change one root keyword at a time and run an A/B test with it for a while and gather data from about 1 to 2 weeks. If there are some new impressions, better click-through rate, or even conversion resulting from adding this one root keyword, then might as well you'll be able to sustain it and continue to have conversions in order to get indexed more from the introduction of this one root keyword. These are some of the metrics you can watch out for, but ultimately, they don't recommend changing all the keywords from the existing product listing due to the fact that these exact matches of root keywords may be de-indexed in the process of rearranging keyword sequences, and some may be converted to a broad match when it was performing really well and have already gained a significant ranking for the exact match. So, thread carefully when changing keywords from your title and start with minimal changes and optimize from there. You can see here as well that DataDive has their proprietary term called ranking juice. Ranking juice means it measures the SEO potential of a part of your product listing based from the search volume of the keywords and their semantic similarity. DataDive's main goal here is to put keywords on your title that helps with most conversions. Hence, we follow the format for the title, brand name, product name, using the main keywords and the features and benefits and the quantity and size. So you can see here when you click suggest keywords, then DataDive will be able to add in the best keywords that are being used the most here. If you look at the battle of the listings and in the title, so most of the competitors are using the exact term for baby sling carrier. So you should have that in your listing title. Then we have here 80% for the exact baby sling as well. Toddler carrier sling. And so you see here that it's taken all of the best keywords in exact match. And it says here that we have used 21% of the words from the master keyword list. So my ranking juice right now is 589,704. That's the search volume of the combined keywords here in my title. So again, these are all great. I don't have to think anymore which are the best keywords to add because DataDive has already done that for me. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure that all of these keywords here are following the format that I have mentioned a while ago. So let's say that Touche Baby is our brand, and then we have the rest as our product. It describes the product for what it is for babies with 25 to 60 pounds, and basically what it does. So we still have around 49 characters to add. So again, the AI tool is a means for us to be able to do things faster, but it still requires some proofreading and some adjustments for you to be able to make things as cohesive as possible, and with the right keywords that has major search volume and are being used as well by our competitors that are really driving their sales. So what happens if I click AI copywriter? When I click AI copywriter, the listing was made as if a copywriter just did my listing. So here my title is still the same, but my bullet points have been written as if it was written in a cohesive manner. So my ranking juice for my bullets is around 31,722. For new Amazon sellers, this will really be of great help in terms of using the AI copywriter tool, which already takes all the relevant keywords from our MKL, either using exact and broad match. So you can see here, the description is very concise. It's not packed with just gibberish of keywords, and very straightforward and very easy to digest and easily readable by your customers. So it really gives them right away what are the main features of your product, what are the benefits, and it's also packed with the keywords that can contribute to the higher ranking juice of your overall product listing. As well with product description, here the AI copywriter was able to create 623 characters of description for this product. But then again, there is still a lot more of characters that you can maximize and be able to add even more. So you can see here the search terms. You can add keywords even more. So DataDive will surely help us speed up the process by including all of those keywords that are also still drawing some impressions and are being typed in by the customers and be added here right away. This should not be your end all and be all product listing. You can still add more keywords here that you think are more relevant to your product. And right now, if you're going to look at the listing ranking juice leaderboard, and you can see that your listing right now is the top one, the overall top one out of the 10 competitors that we have selected from the previous keyword research. So you can see that you have 623,140 search volume from all the keywords that are added in the product listing compared to the rest, which only has 432 and below. So what does this mean? This means that you're able to get those relevant keywords that are working for these competitors to drive in sales and conversion, and be able to add that in the best parts of your listing with the help of DataDive's product listing builder, with the help of the AI copywriter. And it really goes to show how using the relevant keywords in either exact or broad match will be able to help you get the edge, the competitive edge from your competitors. So with the description, you can generate new description wherein you will be able to create prompts in order to get the better results that is aligned with your brand's voice. Here's a sample prompt template. Then you'll be the one to add, for example, for the product title. So you can specify here what output language you can add, and let's add the keywords baby, carrier, sling. So you have here the AI copywriter output with a total ranking juice of 1,099. This can be optimized even more if you have added more keywords from the input keywords, so that the AI copywriter would be able to add in some more features, some more descriptions that will fit into the existing description. Of course, again, the AI can sometimes generate imperfect and randomized results. So you must still carefully review the output and be able to adjust so that it is still very readable and it doesn't look all over the place. So that is really a good thing with DataDive, because not only we were able to add in the keywords with the maximum relevancy, which also tells us in order for this to be the most effective product listing that you will be doing, make sure that from the start, selecting your competitor ASINs, you should be able to really select the right competitors with the same material, same price point, and at least similar designs, so that you will be able to really gather the most relevant sales-driving keywords to be able to generate a compelling listing such as this one. So for this tutorial, we were able to generate a product listing which has a very good ranking juice of 623,140 compared to the rest of the competitors, which has 432,000 and below. And by carefully adjusting the keywords here in the bullet points in the product description, then you'll be able to still maximize or optimize the searchability to be able to get the maximum ranking potential for this product. So if you haven't tried DataDive yet, don't miss the opportunity to add this valuable and amazing Amazon seller tool for your business today. You can check out our coupon code, that's OrangeClick, to get 20% discount off for your monthly subscription plan. If you like the video that we just produced, don't forget to send in some comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, that's OrangeClick. Again, this is Nikki from OrangeClick. Thanks for watching and have a good one.
I hope this short tutorial about Amazon listing optimization is quite helpful for you, and if you want to try DataDive for yourself, you will find the link and special offer below in the description. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and if you have additional questions, use the comment section below. And now I invite you to watch the whole playlist of different videos about DataDive and their features and tools, and you will see how it can help you to grow your Amazon business.